I'm downtown Budapest. People are out shopping and having something to eat, some wine, and it's mild here. It's mid-March and it's very mild. Let's check out my room, W104. This is called a Heritage Studio Suite, and it's super pretty. King size bed, canopy bed. Dials for your lighting. Sofa, television. Area to hang your clothes. A robe and water, and there is a mini fridge here, and these items do come at a cost, and there is a menu here telling you what the cost is. And the bathroom is huge. Makeup mirror, another robe, big shower, toilet, waterfall shower head. This is lovely, and it's right in the downtown area, so the location is great. Heritage Studio Suite. We're now going to take a look at W2110. Let's see what it is like. This is an atrium with 2 beds, so if you're traveling with a roommate, this is perfect, and it looks like twin-size beds. Phone, devices, and if you're from North America, don't forget to bring your outlet that you can plug in your devices. Oh, this is nice. Oh, it's got a patio with chairs. This is beautiful. It doesn't matter what you look at, it's beautiful here. Table with 2 chairs, television, area to put your luggage, mini fridge, and they do have a good selection, but it is at a cost, and there is a menu here indicating the cost, and coffee is complimentary. And here's a closet to store your items and a safe, and here is a closet for hanging your clothes up, a luggage rack. And here is a closet with an ironing board. And bathroom with a shower, and the showers here are amazing. They're waterfall shower heads. I wished I had one at home. Bit of a larger bathroom. Beautiful lit mirror, makeup mirror. All of your amenities, shampoo and conditioner and body wash in the shower, and there's body lotion here. And this is the atrium room, double occupancy, 2 twin beds, overlooking the cafe. Beautiful. Call me and let's book this. We're looking at room M122. It's a contemporary room. So let's see what this is all about. Nice greeting when you walk in, for sure. King size bed. It looks inviting for sure. All your outlets, pin lights, TV remote. That bed looks so comfy. Chair and tables, television. Ooh, this is a lovely room. Beautiful. And we have a coffee station, tea, a mini bar, and there is a cost. There is a menu here to tell you what the cost is. Coffee is complimentary, but there is a cost for wine and pop. The closet with a robe, suitcase holder, hangers, and there is a safe as well. Bathroom with shower, toilet and a robe, sink, beautifully lit mirror, a makeup mirror, amenities, and they have shampoo, conditioner, and body cream. I've used it and it's great. So let me know if this is the room you would like to book. Susan at Escapes. This is a local restaurant which apparently is really good. Hungarian food, and it's very close to the Dorothea Hotel. My goodness, it looks so beautiful. Oh, look. Isn't that lovely? You must try it. I am having beef goulash at a restaurant in Budapest called Anna's, and my seatmate is having palinka, which is something that is made here in Budapest.
Spectacular, isn't it?
Spectacular. This is a bus tour, moderate walking through Budapest, and it has been epic. The views are amazing, and we've been blessed with beautiful weather. If you are in Budapest and want to have a late dinner, Anna Cafe. It was so good. I had goulash and a glass of wine. It was delicious. I highly recommend it.